హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ గాయత్రి హియర్. అందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేనైతే సూపర్గా ఉన్నాను. సో ఈరోజు మీకు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అండ్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ చూపిద్దామని డిసైడ్ అయిపోయాను అన్నమాట. సో వింటర్ వచ్చేసింది కదా, వి ఆల్ విల్ బి వరీడ్ అబౌట్ అవర్ డ్రై స్కిన్. నార్మల్గా ఉండే వాళ్ళ స్కిన్ కూడా చాలా డ్రై అయిపోతుంది, ఎస్పెషలీ హ్యాండ్స్, లెగ్స్ అండ్ ఫుట్, even face. We all worry about dry skin when it is winter. So I just want to show you two products which is really amazing. You trust me, you fall in love these products after using them. And I have been using this product since 2 weeks and I am absolutely in love with them. Okay, without any further ado, I'll just reveal these two products. Okay, so the very first one is body butter from Plum. You trust me, this is really like a yogurt. How we feel yogurt while we are eating, this is absolutely the same way. Same in the same way. So, body yogurt and Japan మీకు already, it is in flavor of rose petals with aloe vera gel. Now, what else we need for our beautiful skin, right? So let's get and open this box and see how it looks. Okay, so yeah, look at this. It smells amazing. Wow. So this is how it looks. Yeah, so this is how it creamy flavored. Okay, so let me take a little bit of it. And massage it until it goes into your skin. Beautiful. Yeah. Now look at my skin. You don't even find trace of graziness on my skin. It's really good, really soft. And you don't even feel greasy or heavy. You feel very lightweight and you don't know that you have applied something on your skin. And what else girls want, right? We always want something light but very smooth and very soft to look. Then this is the one. You can definitely try this product and you can get it on Nykaa or Purple or even Plum original website on Google, which is Plum Goodness. Okay, go and check it out without any late. Okay, so offers are going on because this is winter. You have a lot of discount on these products. You just once go out and check it. I'll give link in the description. Okay, so now let's move on to the second product. Maybe I sometimes wonder how people worry about their skin after having such large amount of products in Plum. You trust me, you just try once. Definitely you will love Plum. And I'm very big fan of Plum. I have been using Plum products since 2 years and I have never regretted buying it, or I never thought that I have wasted money on it. No, never. I was absolutely happy with it. I was absolutely immense to get more and more products from Plum. And if it is winter, then absolutely Plum, no other products. Okay, without any further ado, I will show you the next product. Okay, so next product is something which I really feel happy about. If you are having a very bad dry skin, then definitely this is for you. You trust me, I'm giving a surety to this. Okay, so the next product and the most favorite product of mine is again Plum, and but this is a body butter in vanilla flavor and it smells like a vanilla chocolate, or it smells like a vanilla ice cream. Whenever I open this box, I crave for it. Literally, whenever I open this box, I feel like eating ice creams, I feel like eating chocolates. And if somebody comes near to me, they think that I've eaten some chocolate, so that is the reason. I mean, some kind of vanilla flavored chocolate or ice cream, so that's the reason I'm smelling like that. But they really don't know that I'm using this on my body. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, so this is basically a body butter. You can apply it to your fingers, you can whole body, even on face. I never know whether any influencer have said this to you or not. Body butters can be used on face as well, but in a little amount. If you're having really bad skin, like really bad dry skin, I mean. Okay, so let me open this and show you how consistent it is. Okay, so wow, the smell is started. Can you see? It is a very, very thick paste. Literally very thick. So this is how it looks. Like baby pink peach color. But it smells amazing. If you want to smell good, you no need of any fragrances or perfumes when you're going out. If you just apply this, your skin is moisture and meanwhile you'll be smelling good. That's it. Okay. So see how consistent it is. So I will be applying this on my other hand. So I have used body butter on this hand. So I'll be using this, body yogurt on this hand. So I'll be applying body butter on this hand. And I will show you. I know it takes little time to get into the skin because it is a butter. So it will be very thick, but not too long. It will be quickly absorbing into your skin. If you are having a normal kind of skin, then little bit is enough. So I am a kind of normal person. I am not having too much dry skin or too much oily skin. I'm a kind of normal skin person right now. So bit is enough for me. Okay. Now can you see this? You don't even feel your skin is greasy. Like it feels very lightweight. See. And it gives you such a soft touch and it smells amazing. You trust me. I cannot promise you on this product. Like I cannot give a mispromise because they are absolutely very good products to try. So these are the two beautiful products that I was literally craving for, and I just want to share with you because it is a winter. We all need a good moisturizers for our body. We always hesitate to wear sleeveless or to wear stripped dresses because of our dry skin, because if something gets on our skin, people tend to know that we have a dry skin. So we want a moisturizer which gives more than 24 hours moisturization, because we only bath one time in a day winters. So we always want one product that gives long lasting effects on our skin, right? So I think body yogurt gives you 24 hours moisturization, and if you miss to bath one day, then body butter gives you 2 days moisturization. So this is for 24 hours and this is for 48 hours. And I will be giving you a whole price here. For a body yogurt, it is around 525, but there are a lot of offers. As I said, you can definitely get it for a lower price if you go and check it out. And body yogurt is something you get for 525 again. So don't worry, these two products you will get somehow offers on Plum Goodness. I'll give you the official account below. So go and check it out. And there is, I think, there's 999 offer where you get 3 products for 999. I don't know whether it is available by the time I have uploaded this video, but definitely when I was going through it, I got to know that there are 3 products getting for 999. So yeah, that's it for this video. Without any delay, just go buy and enjoy your skin with this products. Okay, so ఇంతకీ నా ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నారా? చేసుకోకపోతే చేసుకోండి, ఓకేనా? పాపం ఇంత కష్టపడుతున్నాను, చిన్న పిల్లని ఒక్క సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు కదండి. ఒక్కసారి క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంత క్యూట్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అని చూపిస్తున్నా, క్యూట్గా రెడీ అయ్యి వస్తున్నా. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? సో కింద ఉన్న బటన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఎవరికైనా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే షేర్ చేయండి నా వీడియో. అండ్ మీకు కూడా యూస్ఫుల్ అయింది, మీకు కూడా ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటాయి, చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేసావు అని నాకు ఇండైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పడానికి కామెంట్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే లైక్ చేయండి. రెండు చేయండి, నేను ఏమనుకోను. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ దిస్ వీడియో. టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్.